It is my distinct honor and privilege to once again welcome you all to this pivotal moment in the annals of justice within our beloved West African region. As chairman of the Judicial Council of the ECOWAS, I stand before you all with a profound sense of responsibility and commitment to our shared vision of a just and equitable society. As representatives of the highest echelon of the judiciary across our member states, your presence here today is not just a formality, but a testament to the significance of our collective mission. Together, we bear the weighty responsibility of safeguarding the principles of justice, upholding the rule of law, and advancing the cause of peace and prosperity for the millions of people we serve. Your individual contributions have brought us to this point, and I am confident that our collective efforts will continue to shape the future of justice in our region. This statutory meeting is not just a routine gathering, but a beacon of hope and testament to our unwavering dedication to these noble ideas. It is a forum for dialogue, collaboration, and collective action, a platform through which we can exchange insights, share best practices, and chart a course for the future of our judicial systems. Let us therefore approach this meeting with a sense of optimism, knowing that our discussions and decisions here today have the potential to shape a brighter future for our region. At our last meeting, which took place from February 19 to 22nd this year, here in Abuja, two important committees were established and commissioned to address critical issues concerning both the court and the council. The first of these committees, which consisted of Cabo Verde, Liberia, Senegal, Sierra Leone, and Togo, was charged with proposing solutions to the court's enforcement challenges. The second committee consisted of Benin, the Gambia as the chair, Ghana, Guinea-Bissau, and Sierra Leone, and this was tasked to review the rules and procedures of the council and, of course, all related matters pertaining to the effective functioning of the council. As we convened this morning, the council will receive the recommendations of the two committees for deliberation. I implore distinguished members of this council to reflect on our progress, the challenges facing the court, and the opportunities that lie ahead. Let us reaffirm our commitment to the principles enshrined in the ECOWAS Treaty, including the protection of human rights, the promotion of regional integration, and the resolution of disputes through peaceful means. In consideration of the recommendations to be submitted and the emerging threats and evolving dynamics in the justice delivery sector, let us be guided by wisdom, integrity, and the resolve to navigate the complex terrain of justice in the 21st century. Let us seize this moment to reaffirm our shared values, reinvigorate our collective efforts, and rededicate ourselves to the noble cause of justice. Our shared commitment to justice is what unites us, and it is this unity that will guide us through the challenges ahead. My lords, I humbly urge all of us to contribute meaningfully to the deliberations for the 2 days ahead and develop concrete recommendations to be sent to the authority of heads of state and government to improve regional justice delivery in sub-region through the ECOWAS court. In Nelson Mandela's words, I quote, "To deny people their human rights is to challenge their very humanity." Let us therefore stand united in our commitment to upholding the dignity and rights of every individual within our region, regardless of nationality, ethnicity, and creed. Together, let us embark on this journey with courage, compassion, and conviction. Let us be guided by the principles of fairness, integrity, and impartiality in all our endeavors. And let us, through our nations and our actions, continue to inspire hope, uphold justice, and build a brighter future for the people of West Africa. In conclusion, let me take this opportunity to welcome all of you once again to Abuja, and of course thank our guests for their solidarity. Furthermore, let me express the Council's profound gratitude to the ECOWAS Commission and the ECOWAS Court, as well as the Secretariat, for their support. I wish all of us a fruitful deliberation. Thank you all for your kind attention. Merci and obrigado.